Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to talk on one very exciting indicator that will give you tons of money every time till you want to trade in your life. Mark my words, you will earn regularly tons of money. Just be with me for the next about 10-15 minutes. Friends, you know that our heart is most important for the body, for us to survive. Similarly, moving average is one indicator in the share market without which it is impossible to trade. Let us see some very salient features about moving averages. Moving average smoothens the price action in the selected period in the past. So, moving average smoothens price momentum in selected period of time. Say for example, friends, 4 days back I have earned $4,000. 3 days back I have earned $3,000. 2 days back I have earned $2,000. And 1 day back, that is yesterday, I have earned $1,000. In 4 days I have earned $10,000. Average is what? Average is I have earned $2,500 every day. This is known as the smoothing over a selected period of time, right? So, second is moving averages give buy and sell signals accurately. Friends, you know, it will give you lowest price to buy and also will tell you the highest price you can exit without losing money. Or see, this is share market, couple of not percentages points here and there, but by and large you will always without risk buy at the bottom and sell at the highest point. Moving average gives direction of momentum. Means when you see the moving average, it will tell you whether the stock is going up, stock is sideways, or the stock is declining. That means it will tell you the direction up, down, or it is moving in the sideways direction. Clear cut. And whenever the momentum is over, either it will go sideways or it will fall. Last but not the least, moving average will neutralize noise of share, noise of news in the share. Supposing there is Microsoft share, some news has come, good news has come, it has gone up, bad news has come, it will come down. The effect may remain for 1 day, 2 days, it may be for half a day, fine, So moving average will neutralize that. Because we are using moving averages for more than one day, maybe 10 days, 15 days and all that, therefore, the noise of the news, it will go off. News can be of any type. It can be a government intervention, it can be a fundamental change, it can be the policy of the government, it can be the performance of the share, anything, any kind of news relating to the equity in the market can disturb the price up and down, and it will neutralize that. Now, people ask me actually that moving average, how far moving average is effective in the share market. My assumption is that moving average is plus 95%, it is effective. You will get the maximum selling price and the lowest buy price. What else do you want? And in our subsequent videos, we will see that. This is my first video. I will complete the subject in next 4 videos, most probably 3 or 4 videos I will complete the subject, and we will discuss how effective is the moving average, whether it is 95% or it is more than 95%. Moving averages, friends, you can use in intraday, swing, positional trading, or you can also use in future and options for a forex and whatever it is, right? So moving average is like the heartbeat in the human beings. Moving average actually, friends, is of 2 types. You have simple moving average and you have exponential moving average. Simple moving average means 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000 in 4 days clubbed together, it will become 10,000 divided by 4, $2,500 earned per day. In the exponential moving averages, there is a formula by which it has to be calculated, and the software which your broker has provided you, or you can go to investingin.com. This software contains both simple moving average and exponential moving average. Friends, by choice, you can either choose exponential moving average or simple moving average. You will find at the end of the day there is no difference at all under any circumstance. But don't unnecessarily mix up these two. Buying you are doing here and selling you are doing here, it will not work. Or the other way around. Choose once for your lifetime whether you are using simple moving average or the exponential moving averages. They are always given. Then friends, we will see here moving averages, trends, I am telling you $1 million. $1 million question I am answering you here, that what is the slope? Without slope you cannot earn. Whole exercise of moving average is gone. It is very necessary for a trader to understand, what is a slope. Let us check it out. First of all, we see the trend. Trend is either up or it is sideways or it is downwards trend. See, my channel or your channel where we are talking today is, the name of the channel itself is UPTRENDING SHARES. That means prefer trading always in the uptrend, especially if you are in the cash market. Any mistake here will automatically get corrected. Here, if you make a mistake, the mistake will magnify. And my experience, of 50 years tell me that uptrend is always better than any other trend. If you are doing in future options, you can choose any trend you like. Now, these moving averages, okay, now we were talking basically of slope. So, what do we actually mean by the term slope? Have you seen the wristwatch here? So, I am drawing the wristwatch here. This is the wristwatch. This is the center of it. Here I draw like this. This is 15 minutes. Right? This is 5 minutes and this is 10 minutes. So let me just draw it like this. This is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and this is 15 minutes. Slope. So, if the slope is flat, you get no money. If slope is little inclined, you get some money. More inclined, more money. More inclined, more money. Let us check it out. If the slope of the moving average is towards 10 minutes, you will earn so much of money. If it is 5 minutes slope, you will get so much of money. And if it is at the top, you will still get more money. Now, every time you buy, you must have some kind of understanding that how much money I am going to earn. So, see the slope, then enter. If it is flat, then what is the idea of entering into the share? Next is the loss. I am not saying it cannot go up, but chances are, because at the top you have maximum, then less, and here it is flat. And if the trend is down, this is your trend here. If the trend is down, that means you are going to lose the money. Below 15, you are going to lose the money. Even around 15, you will hardly make any money. There is no point in entering. Better is that you select some other stock. So, what is most important in the moving average is, most important in the moving average is slope and trend. Never make a mistake in this. If you don't make a mistake, you will always earn the money. The catchword actually is here, the slope. By understanding moving average is fine, but moving average, if you are buying here, what it will do? Nothing. Now we see moving averages, buying and selling. Moving average will give a perfect buy and sell signal. No two opinion about it. I am not saying it is the computer who has computed data. Computer is telling you buy now and you sell now. Now don't make a mistake. Computer is telling you buy, you are not buying. Computer is telling you sell, you are not selling. That is technology, sir. You have to trust technology more than your brain. So, if this is let us say this is the movement of a stock, and here we have put up a moving average. We will discuss, what kind of moving average as per the momentum of the stock is needed. We will discuss that. Here it is giving you a buy signal. Is it not perfect? Is it not perfect? And see the slope. Here it is giving you sell signal. Is it not a slope? You have purchased at the bottom, you have sold at the highest possible point. You may say, okay, I could have sold here also at the top. See, what happens is, you could have sold here, fine, but in the practice what happens is that you don't have money or you don't have enough funds to buy the same share at the same price. Now supposing if you sell here, this is I have hypothetically drawn. If you see in reality, you will find out of 10 times you are correct. I will give little allowance, I will say 95% you are correct. What else do you want in the share market? There is no risk involved. Friends, the shorter moving averages, now there are another two kinds of moving averages, short-term moving average and the long-term moving average. Now, short-term moving average if you take, then frequency of your buying and selling is unnecessary more. And when I say when you get out of the stock, it is very difficult to come back on the same stock again. Here the frequency of buy and sell will increase and this will wipe out your profits. Long term will wipe out your profits, mind my words today. Therefore, you have to have moving averages as per the momentum of the share, and in our subsequent videos we will discuss that also very clearly. Be with me for the next 3-4 videos. So, friends, what we have talked today is, let us put and summarize everything is, first thing we have actually said is that the moving average is like heart to the human being. Without heartbeat you cannot exist, without moving averages you cannot trade in the share market. Then we have said moving averages is an indicator, lagging indicator based on the past data. Therefore, it is 95% or 100% correct. I will say 95% correct. Then we have said it gives correct buy and sell signals. We have said that moving averages smoothen out the price over a selected period of time. This is one moving averages will remove the noise of the market or the noise created by the news for that particular share or in the market. Then we have seen actually the psychology and moving averages. Psychology means people tend to act when the moving average 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100 or 200 is achieved. People try to take buy and sell actions on that. So, these are psychological in nature. Then we have seen the trends and the slope. Friends, trend and the slope is the most important in the moving averages or for that matter in the entire share market. This is my experience of last 50 years. Without understanding the slope, you will never get a lowest price and you will not get the highest price to sell. So, be with me for the next and then one more is here, that is short term and long term. Short term moving averages will increase the frequency of trading, buying and selling, and actually you miss out on the good equity or share for that matter. It's not good, and long term will wipe out your profit. So, you have to have a perfect, nearly perfect moving average that we will talk. So, friends, thank you very much and have a nice day. Remain with me in next 3 videos. We will earn tons of money together. Thank you very much.